Once upon a time, there was a young man named Jack. Jack had everything he could ever want in life: a loving family, a successful career, and financial stability. However, despite having all of these things, Jack felt like something was missing. One day, Jack decided to take a walk in the park to clear his mind. As he was walking, he came across an elderly woman who was struggling to carry her groceries. Jack, being the kind-hearted person that he was, offered to help the woman. As they were walking, the woman thanked Jack for his kindness and shared her life story with him. She told him that she had lived a long and fulfilling life, but that her greatest regret was not having found her true purpose in life. This conversation had a profound impact on Jack. He realized that he too had been living his life without a clear purpose or direction. He knew that he needed to make a change. Over the next few weeks, Jack spent a lot of time reflecting on what he truly wanted out of life. He thought about his passions, his values, and what brought him the most joy. After much introspection, Jack realized that he wanted to help others and make a positive impact in the world. He quit his job and started volunteering at a local non-profit organization that helped underprivileged children. Jack found that helping others gave him a sense of purpose and fulfillment that he had never experienced before. Over time, Jack's volunteer work turned into a full-time job. He had found his true calling, and it brought him more happiness and satisfaction than any amount of money or material possessions ever could. From that day forward, Jack made it his life's mission to help others and make a difference in the world. He knew that he had found his purpose, and he was grateful for the chance encounter with the elderly woman that had led him down this path.